Hello, tubers. Here's the other lawnmower I was talking about. I've had it for probably 12 years, maybe longer. My dad uses it now. It's at his house. So is the other one sitting over there in the junk. It's at his house right now. I don't have a place for it at our apartment. So anyway, it's been sitting for quite a few months. Prime it for a good time. Prime for a good time. Something like that. Yep. Let's see what happens. Woo! One pull wonder. All right. Sit longer than the other one. One pull. It started right up. Over 12 years old. Good lawnmower, I tell you that. Let's see. There's the specs. I don't know if you can see that or not. Kind of blurry. Yeah. Let's see. It doesn't say engine model. Yeah. Let's see here. Date of manufacture, DOM. It's here. It looks like 0173, but that can't be right. So, I don't know. Anyways, it's good 12 years old or so. Been a great lawnmower, though. Been repaired many, many times. You know, old Craftsman. Eager one motor. Good lawnmower. The other one's got a Tecumseh motor on it. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching.